Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to exploring the latest insights and opportunities in the world of finance and investments, with a special focus on currency revaluation, gold and silver investments, cryptocurrency, and make money online opportunities, and more. If you're interested in staying up to date on the latest developments in currency revaluation, particularly the Iraqi Dinar and other currencies, best to subscribe to this channel. Please note that the content on this YouTube channel is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. We are not licensed financial advisors, and the opinions expressed on this channel are based on our own research and personal experience. We strongly recommend that you do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a weekly giveaway of 100 Dogecoin. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and watch this video until the end, because if you don't, you will be automatically disqualified from the giveaway. We will be sharing the random hashtag keyword daily somewhere in the video, and then comment hashtag the keyword with no spaces in between in the comments section. Good luck. Now, let's proceed with the latest Iraqi Dinar news and intel today. Please take these information with a grain of salt, and please make sure to do your own due diligence. From Newshound, Intel Guru's militiaman and Mark Z via PDK. From militiaman, Iraq is going international big time. Iraq is considered to be one of the world's wealthiest nations with vast reserves. They have the money they need for a new real effective exchange rate. With the oil, natural gas, sulfur, precious metals, etc., they can afford it. From Mark Z and the rare earth minerals Iraq has just discovered. Iraq is worth much more now than when the rate was $3.22 over 20 years ago. From Intel Guru Goldilocks, bonds increase demand for a country's national currency. It also increases its value. Iraq is beginning to sell bonds to their people and investors to participate in the growth of their new economy supported by gold and the dinar. Iraq is beginning to make moves that will make their country's economy self-sustaining going forward, utilizing only the dinar to make it happen. From Intel Guru Frank 26, every day those that were against it, those that were negative like Parliament, are complimenting and cheering on what is about to happen. Every day they come up with new ways of saying the same thing. Article, advisor to the Prime Minister, economic policy in Iraq is moving towards implementing the principle of monetary sovereignty. Monetary sovereignty, another beautiful way of saying we have a new currency. From Newshound Guru Pimpy, it looks like Iraq is pushing for its own monetary sovereignty. Article, Iraq is moving towards applying the principle of monetary sovereignty. What does that mean? This is actually really good news. This is what we've been bugging Iraq to do. Get out of the shadow of the United States and do your own thing. In other words, our little child is wanting to be all grown up and make a move to be on its own. This is exactly what we've been looking for. Once we kick the training wheels off of Iraq, you have to trust the people who are making the decisions about the Iraqi dinar, make smart ones, and not screw everything up. From Newshound Guru Sandy Ingram, article, inflation rate in Iraq declines in 2023 compared to 2022. The Central Bank of Iraq announced the inflation rate decreased in 2023 compared to 2022. Inflation in Iraq reached approximately 3.7% in August 2023, compared to 4.4% in August 2022. Iraq's inflation rate is good compared to many countries, where inflation has reached 30% and 40%. From Intel Guru Mark Z via PDK, very little out of Iraq overnight, but everything coming out of Iraq this week has been overwhelmingly positive. I know this is tough. I know we have been sitting at the edge of our seats for entirely too long, but it's hard to nail down a worldwide historic, once-in-a-millennium event, but we know it's coming. From Intel Guru Frank 26, can the CBI, ALAC, and the board of directors reduce the exchange rate of the American dollar? No, of course not. They don't have jurisdiction to do that. Who can do that? The U.S. Treasury. ALAC and Sudani said to the citizens, private banks will give support to the Iraqi citizens by reducing the dollar exchange rate. What that means is they're going to give value to the Iraqi dinar. It reduces the value of the American dollar in the country of Iraq. From Newshound, Intel Guru Walking Stick, At this phase of the monetary reform, they have to figure out the note count. That's what the US Treasury is working with them about as well. The note count that will be released into circulation with these lower dinars. Why? So as not to introduce currency inflation, which is part of the experiment they're running in Kurdistan with lower notes. In our opinion, the monetary steps have put the lower dinars and the new exchange rate in position to come out and float strongly without failure, because that would be a catastrophe. From Newshound Guru article, a Chinese advisor describes Iraq as the largest investment destination for his country. Quote, counselor of the Chinese embassy in Baghdad, Zhu Haifeng said in a press conference held today at the Chinese embassy in Baghdad that Iraq is a country rich in energy represented by oil and gas, and it is natural that the energy field is a relatively greater source of attraction for Chinese investments and is in line with the industrial diversity in Iraq. From Newshound Guru Militiaman, we all see the writing on the wall at this point in time that Iraq is going to go international. They're going to be part of the WTO. With them going to the private sector, you can just see it's going to be a robust economy in this country. From Newshound Guru Pimpy, next year is going to be very interesting, especially if they're going to start doing everything in just Iraqi dinars. I'm curious to see what kind of effect that's going to have on the Iraqi dinar. I'm actually looking forward to it. Before ending with the last update, the hashtag keyword for the 100 Dogecoin giveaway is Millennium. You can be the lucky winner if you like, subscribe, and watch the main content of this video. This will be for this coming Sunday's giveaway, and the winner will be announced in one of the Sunday's videos, so you do not want to miss it. And finally, the last update is from Intel Guru Frank 26. Coming out at a higher rate could destroy the monetary reform. It could cause it to fail. That's what they're working on right now with the US Treasury. That's all for the latest updates on the Iraq dinar. What are your thoughts of all the articles or news coming from Iraq and opinions from these intel providers? Moreover, we posted a breaking news article video today. Big news today from Iraq as the country gears up for a game-changing shift in its monetary policy. Reports suggest Iraq is embracing the principle of monetary sovereignty to tackle its economic challenges. In this video, we delved into the significance of this move, what it means for the dinar, and how it sets the stage for potential revaluation or reinstatement. Please go ahead and check it out by clicking on the link on the top right of this video, as you don't want to miss this. Lastly, we will continue to post videos about the recent events and articles supporting the changes taking place in Iraq, so you don't want to miss them. Also, don't forget, please drop a comment below with hashtag and the keyword and let us know what you think. If you like this content and like to support this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified when new videos are uploaded. See you on the next video. Bye.